located in Salisbury Township. We're looking live at what's happening right now in downtown Allentown from our Skycam on top of the PPL building. You're looking live from the Grand Estonian Suites Hotel in Easton.
A tornado warning has been issued for Bucks County, effective until 10:19 p.m.
Back in college, we all drank almost every time we got together. Now that I'm a mom with kids, I'm finding fewer of my girlfriends drink the way I do. It's like they pretty much put down alcohol when the kids came along. Not me, though.